Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for project tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Asana website at www.asana.com. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Get Started. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Asana. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected to a new page to create your password. Enter a strong password in the specified field. Confirm your password by entering it again in the second field. Click on Create Account to proceed. You may be prompted to input your name and other relevant details. Fill in the required fields as requested. Next, you will be asked if you are signing up for yourself or a team. Select the option that best fits your needs. Asana may offer a brief tour of its features. Feel free to explore or skip it. Once you reach the dashboard, you can start creating your first project. Click on the New Project button to begin. Follow the prompts to name your project and add any necessary details. You can choose to customize the project layout and settings as desired. After setting up, invite team members to collaborate if needed. Asana now allows you to track tasks and manage deadlines efficiently. Explore the various tools available to enhance your project management experience. You are now ready to use Asana for project tracking effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.